Hi there guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to disable chat and selfies in our games. So when you're inside a regular game, you can toggle on and off the chat window here and you can chat with other people. And also if you click on these three bars here, you can select captures to take a selfie. So now you have a selfie button here where you can take your selfie pictures. Let's now go to Studio and see how we can disable those two features. Here we are inside Roblox Studio. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to our started GUI. We're going to click on the plus sign and add a local script. In your local script, just enter the following lines. On the first line here, we're declaring our started GUI, where we're going to use an API from the started GUI to disable the chat. So basically, you're disabling the chat by setting the second parameter of this API to false. And on the last line here, this is how you disable selfies in your game. Let's now play test and take a look. As you come into the game, you can see the chat icon is gone. So now there is no way for me to open up the chat window to chat. And as I click on these three bars here, you can see the capture option is gone. So now I can no longer take selfies inside this game. So this is how you disable chat and selfies inside your game. If you want all the different options that you can disable, what you can do is you put dot here. And these are the list of all the things that you can disable inside your game. So you got the chat, health, that's the health bar. Or it's gonna disable everything. The backpack, the player list, that's the leaderboard. Captures, that is the selfies feature. Emotes, that is your emotes menu. And there is a self view, which gives you a picture of yourself. So let's take, for example, we're gonna disable everything inside this game. Comma, false. Let's play test and take a look. So now if I click on the menu here, again, there's no more chat window icon here. And this menu here only have two options left. Guys, that is how you disable chat and selfies inside your games.